Now question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. In this figure, capsule is total 14 mm length. Its length is total 14 millimeter. Now it is made up of two shapes, cylinder and with hemisphere. Diameter of hemisphere is equals to 5 millimeter. Diameter of hemisphere is equals to diameter of hemisphere equals to 5 millimeter. Then radius of hemisphere is equals to 5 by 2 millimeter is equals to 2.5 millimeter. Here R is equals to 2.5 millimeter. It is 2.5 millimeter. It is also 2.5 millimeter. It's called R. Then here is also R. Now height of cylinder. It's called, we say, H. Capital H is equals to entire height is equals to 14 millimeter. Capital H is a sum of R plus H plus R is equals to 14. H is equals to height of cylinder. Height of cylinder. Then capital H is equals to H plus R plus R. Now capital H is equals to 14. H plus 2.5 plus 2.5. 14 minus 5 is equals to H. H is equals to 9 millimeter. H is equals to 9 millimeter. Height of cylinder is equals to 9 millimeter. Again, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Its ends, two hemispheres. We show our capsule is like this shape. In between shape is hemisphere and ends are between shape is cylindrical and ends are middle shape is hemisphere is cylinder and ends are hemisphere. The length of the entire capsule, total height of capsule is equals to 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. Here is also radius. R plus H plus R is equals to 14. Then we find H is equals to 9 millimeter. Find its surface area. We write here surface area of capsule is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemispheres. Here it is one hemisphere and other hemisphere to same, both are same, plus curved surface area of two hemispheres equals to curved surface area of cylinder formula to plus curved surface area of two hemisphere. Then we write two hemisphere, 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square is equals to 2 pi r h plus 2 to the 4 pi r square. Common part is equals to 2 pi r into bracket h plus 2 to the 4 pi common, r square r common, then remaining 2 r. Putting value 2 into pi. Pi is equals to, here not given 3.14, therefore 22 by 7. What is radius? Radius is equals to 5 by 2 or 2.5. Is it right? H is equals to 9 millimeter plus 2 into 5 by 2. 2 cut. 22 5s are 110 upon 7. 9 plus 5 is equals to 110 into 14 upon 7. 7 2s are is equals to 11 2s are 22. 220 millimeter square. All units are in millimeter. Therefore, its area is equals to in millimeter square. Surface area of capsule is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemisphere. Formula: curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h plus 2 cylinder, therefore 2 into 2 pi r square, therefore 4 pi r square. Common part 2 pi r into bracket h plus 2 r. Then putting value we get here, right, surface area of capsule is equals to, which is our last answer, surface area of capsule is equals to 220 millimeter square. We write like this. It is our last answer. Now question number 6 is completed here. Good morning. We start our exercise 13.1. Now exercise 13.1. Start with question number 7. In last lecture we learned exercise 13.1 question number 1 to 6. Now question number 7. Open your book. Question is this: a tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Here is tent. It is cylindrical form. Surmounted by a conical top. If height and diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, cylindrical part, height and diameter. Height and diameter cylindrical part of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter. Height is equals to 2.1 meter and diameter is equals to 4 meter respectively. And the slant height of top is 2.8 denoted by in cone. Slant height is equals to 2.8 meter. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Cost is equals to 500 rupees per meter square. Note that base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. Here, make a tent canvas by using canvas. Its base is not for canvas. It's not used here, not canvas. Using not canvas. In this case, this part and this part is also made by canvas. First we find how much canvas used in this preparing tent and what is the cost of this canvas. Find in this question, find cost of canvas. First we find how many meters square canvas use. Then we use curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cone. Both radius are same for cylinder and canvas. Both radius are same. What is radius? Diameter is 4 meter. Therefore, radius is equals to 2 meter. Here, radius is equals to also 2 meter. Find height of here slant height given canvas slant height, straight height and slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. In this question, cylinder height is equals to 2.1 meter, diameter is equals to 4 meter, therefore radius is equals to diameter by 2 is equals to 4 by 2 is equals to 2 meter. And cone length, slant height of cone is equals to slant height is equals to 2.8 meter. Cost of canvas is equals to 500 rupees per meter square. Radius of cone and cylinder are equal because base of radius of cone is equals to radius of cylinder. Therefore, R is equals to 2 meter. Now we use area of canvas used to make a tent is equals to which shape combined? Cylinder and cone. Curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Now, curved surface area of cone is equals to cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of cone. What is formula of cone? Yes, pi RH. Then we write pi r into bracket 2h plus I. Pi is equals to, using 22/7 into r. R is equals to 2. 2 into height 2.1 plus L is equals to 2.8. Now simplify. 22 into 2 upon 7. 2.1 2s are 21 2s are 42, 4.2 plus 2.8 is equals to 22 2s are 44 by 7 multiply 0 1 5 7. 7 7 cut is equals to 44 meter square. Use canvas is equals to 44 meters square. Now find cost of canvas, which is using to make a tent. Cost of canvas is equal to 44 multiplied. How many rupees? 500 rupees per meter square multiplied 500 equals to 0 0 0 2200 rupees. 5 4s are 20, 2 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22,000 rupees. Therefore, cost of canvas is equal to 22,000 rupees. We find cost of canvas. Again this question. In your book, please show the question. And now a canvas tent is cylindrical form surmounted by cone. Height and radius of cylinder are 2.1 and diameter is equal to 4 meter respectively. Then radius is equal to 2 meter. Slanted of cone of top is cone. Slanted of top is equal to 2.8 meter and cost of canvas is equal to 500 rupees per meter square. Then find the total cost of canvas. In this question, we find use canvas to prepare tent. Use canvas is this in this type, not in base. Therefore, area of curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Pi r common, 2h plus L. Put the value and simplify this question. Then we get 44 meter square canvas used. Now find cost of canvas. Cost of canvas is equal to 44 into 500 rupees per meter square. Therefore 44 into 500 is equal to 22,000 rupees for canvas. Now, question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining part of the nearest centimeter square. From a solid cylinder, here cylinder is like this. cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. For cylinder, height is equal to 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 1.4 divided by 2 equals to 0.7. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter. Here, for cone, is hollow out. Here, suppose it is a conical cavity. Its same height and same diameter. Therefore, its height is equal to 2.4 centimeter and diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Hollow out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid, the nearest centimeter square. Therefore, it is written in integers. Suppose 4.5, then we write 5 centimeters square, like this. Nearest centimeter square. Find total surface area. Total surface area, that means curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone and its surface area of this part. It is circle where it is solid because it is a solid part. Otherwise, here surface area of circle. Hollow conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollow. Here, not this part. In this question, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus area of circle, which is here circular part, then x is equal to pi r square. Now, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r l. Then we find first l. L is equal to under root r square plus x square is equal to r is equal to 0.7 square plus h is equal to 2.4 square is equal to 0.49 plus square of 24 is equal to 576. Then we got 2 points. Here 9, 6, 15, 5, 7, 12 and 6.25. 625 is a square root of which number square? It is a square of 25. Then we write 6.25 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Here all the units are centimeter. L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. We find L. Now, total surface area of the remaining solid. Total surface area of remaining solid is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus surface area of top of cylinder, otherwise bottom of cylinder. Suppose cone is inverted, then it is like this. Then we write bottom of cylinder. And area of base is equals to area of circular base. We know circular base. Cos surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH plus cos surface area of cone. Cone formula of cone pi RL plus base is equals to circular, then pi R square. Here calculation. What is common part? Pi R. Then we write 2h remaining R 2h plus L plus R. Here pi is equals to 22 by 7 multiplied by R. R is equals to 0.7. 2 into h. H is equals to 2.4 plus L. L is equals to 2.5 plus R. What is the value of R? R is equals to 0.7. Then 7 got 22 into 0.1, 48, 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7 equals to 22 ones are 22, 2.2. Sum of this digit 5, 7, 12, 12, 8, 20, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8, 6 and 7.3, 8. 22 is 17, 6, 0, then 1 and 2 is equals to 70.60 centimeters square or 6 centimeters square. Then we write nearest centimeter square is equals to 17.6. Then we write 18 centimeter square. Nearest centimeter square. Again, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter whose conical cavity is hollowed out. Find total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Here, this is our total surface area like this, and this. In this figure, total surface area, height of cone and cylinder, radius of cone and cylinder, both are same. Therefore, find remaining part of the cylinder area, solid, is equal to cos surface area of cylinder plus cos surface area of cone plus base of area of base. Here base is circular shape, otherwise it is inverted, then it is a circular shape. Then formula 2 pi RH plus pi RL, we find here L. L is equal to under root R square plus S square. Because we want L, therefore we find here L and pi R square. Simplification this question, its answer is 17.6 nearest to 18 centimeter square. Remaining area of remaining part is equal to 18 centimeter square.